Hey guys, today we got a Leer 122 series. It's the 09 to 14 Ford F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. White in color. This is in pretty good shape. Got this one traded in to us. Does have some minor little nicks right there. Nothing really bad. A couple of them up here again. Paint on the top and the top edge look good. Down through here looks good. Paint has a, like I said, I guess it just a little spot. Wasn't even a scratch. There's a little scratch right there. And then you've got a couple nicks here on the bottom edge. Right there. Down through here looks good. A couple other minor little scratches on the bottom edge there, but nothing real major. Here's another one. The bottom edge is pretty good shape all the way through here. Let's have the bay window on the side with a sliding window. Up through here the paint looks pretty good. Just some little spots. I don't even know if these are specks from flies or what these are. They're not, they scrape off whatever they are, so. Looks pretty good. It has a couple scratches right there. A couple chips right there. And a little bit of a spot. That's a, I don't know what came off, whatever it was. Let's have a couple stone chips up here on this front edge. Pretty common on these higher rise caps. They tend to get some stone chips up here on the top. Down through here looks good. A couple chips right here on the edge of this side as well. And then a scratch right there. Paint looks good through there. Let's have a sliding window in the front. Slide window slides open. Maybe. There it goes. Window slides open so you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. And you can close it back up. Sealed up like so. This side looks pretty good. These little speckles, I think these must be from flies. Maybe this white is really bad for these around here. Paint looks good through here. Small scratch there on the top right there. A little bit of a paint scuff here. That would probably buff out. I don't know. It looks like it's just paint. Down through there. Looks good. Bottom edge here looks good. A little bit of a chatter mark or something on the bottom edge of that fiberglass, but really nothing bad. Paint through here looks good. In between there's no damage there. Does have the half side slider with the bay window on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. A little bit of some paint chips and looks like must be a little slight hairline crack. Probably a stress crack more than anything. Paint looks good through here. Through here the paint looks good. No damage. Not seeing anything in here. And this side, corner looks good on this side. Skirt has a little bit of a crack in it, but it doesn't affect the functionality of it. Inside is carpeted. Screens on here are good shape. This is a sliding window, but it's a tilt-in sliding window, so this latch Here releases on this side and this side, allowing this window to open up so that you can clean the front of this window and then the back of the truck cab window. Close that back up, lash that down like so. Sliding window on this side, screens are in good shape here. Serial number. It's a 122 series, 6.5 foot, 6.6 Ford F-150 09 to 14. YZ white is the color. There it is, got a Leer 122 series. It's a 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150, 6.5 foot bed. YZ white in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, lift kits, they can all be purchased from us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain style, certain size, certain model, what have you, you want to hit the subscribe button. You want to hit the subscribe button. We upload to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in, so that'll keep you up to date on inventory as it comes in. As with all our truck apps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.